Right, time to send it on whatever it's called. I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. But the restraints on this are very odd. Look at this, it's like a metal thing. Yeah, Sunkid. It says it there. The chairs are very comfortable. And this lap bar thing here is not that bad actually. There's your log flume down there. Yeah, I'll try and get a front row POV as well without talking. Oh man. Don't need sunglasses still, I've got a sweaty face. Here we go. Woo! 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 Oh yeah! So there's only the 2 inversions on it. Oh, brilliant! Yeah, awesome. Yeah, brand new trains look ace. Very unique. I think it's a carbon fibre on the back. No, it's not, it's metal. They look like carbon fibre then. Very good. Yeah, the lap bar thing isn't too bad either. I can see a lot more coasters having these because it's not very constricted at all. Awesome that was. Really good. Right, here we go for round 3. Yeah, this is great. I like this. These seats are really comfortable. Even with this, I'm stapled in. I've stapled myself. Got you on horizon lock again. Yeah, I've noticed the log flume's not open. Gutted about that. Do the rapids next, I think. Close it gets to the supports and the track. Crazy, what a good ride that is. Brilliant.